Hi guys, welcome to VND Tech Technical Solutions to ease your day-to-day work. Today we are again coming up with another video. Okay, this is for Alcatel Lucent OmniPCX enterprise system. Today we are going to see how to create a user. To create a user, you have to log into Oxy PABX by telnet command, like telnet 192.168.0.31. That is my Oxy IP address. You can use your own Oxy IP address. Then you enter. It will ask for the login, that is mtcl. I can just write it for you. It is mtcl. Password is also mtcl. Okay, this is not how it is written, but when you enter login mtcl, enter, then it will ask for password, then mtcl. Okay, currently I have already logged in. So currently you use mgr command, you will get a menu. So one by one I can explain you what this menu is all about, but don't worry, currently we are going to see how we can create a user. For example, you want to you have a new employee in your office and you want to give a new extension for him. So what we do, just go to user by just up and down arrow mark, then enter. You can see like go down hierarchy. In some other languages it will show like descent hierarchy. It is just go down hierarchy means you are going to the another menu. If you are going in the same menu, you go consult modify. So if you are on the next menu, go down hierarchy, same menu, consult modify. Then in the same menu you can create, you can modify, you can delete. Sometimes you have to force delete. Why you are forced to delete? Because sometimes you delete, it will give you some error. Go to force delete and try to delete it. Okay, anyway, now we are going to consult modify because I just want to know how many users are available. Okay, here you can see there are 728 users available in the system. You can see all the available users here, 100, 134, 180, like that. It is going up to 728 users are available in the system. So if you want to create one user, you have to make sure that that user is number is not used. So currently you see here 100, 101, 2, 3, 4, 105 to 109 is not used here. So I can create a user in 105, 106, 107, whatever it is, no problem. But again, you have to reconfirm whether that number is used in the system. So that you have to go back to translator, enter, numbering plan, enter, consult modify, enter, all instances, enter, then you put control V. You are getting 813 instances. That is the entire numbering plan of the system. So in the system, do you have 105, 106, 107, 108? No, it is still free. Inside the system, it is 105 is free, so you can use that, no problem. You are coming back by control C. When you put control C, it go back one window, another control C, it goes to another window back. So I am just coming back to user. Now I create, I can put like 105, which was a free number. Then I will give the name. The name can be like test, I will say new user. Okay, new user. Then you can have like shelf address, board address, equipment address. This one I will tell you in another part, but currently I am just showing you how to create a user. Okay, you go to analog. Okay, wherever you see a plus sign, that means you have a menu inside. Okay, here there is a plus sign, here there is a plus sign, here there is a plus sign. So I will show you. Here you see, when you enter, you will get all these key profiles. Here you press, you will get all these profiles. Then in analog, when you just enter, you will get a lot of phone models, because analog is a particular phone model and Alcatel has different phone models. Okay, so now I am going to take a IP phone which is like IP touch, 8018. Okay, I will take 8018, IP touch 8018. This is the phone I am going to use. I just enter IP touch 8018. Then just you are creating a user, you are just putting control V, again control V. It was press cancel to remove this window, command succeeded. This is the window you will get when the command is succeeded. But if you have any error, then you will get the error here. Okay, currently the user 105 is created. Okay, now if I want to do some modifications in the 105, I go to consult modify, enter. I don't have to use all instances, because if you use all instances, all the 700 and something um, users will come into the picture, but I don't want to do that. So I will just do 105. Okay, then control V. So you see the same window has come, like 105. It's a new user. Is the name is new user. I can change the name to maybe Dominic, Dominic, or Arthur, or something like that, whatever it is. Then I can go down. You can see what are the things you have to mainly note when you are creating a user. This is the secret code. Secret code in the sense, this is the password of the user. Normally it is 0000. If you want to change it like 1234, you can change it. You have to confirm 1234, like that. You can change the password of the user as whatever it is. Then you can come back here. You have like mainly you have different options. I'll show you. I'll go back, control V, control V, and control F. Okay, here you can see public network category. These are the four things which you have to be very sure of. Public network category is the calling out facility of the user, like whether you want to call outside mobile number, international number, national number, like that. Then external forwarding category, like whether you want to call transfer a call. Maybe you don't have a facility to call out, but you can transfer a call. A telephone facility category is like you have different telephonic features, like you can transfer, you can do a conference, you can do an inquiry call, you can do many other features. So all other features will come on this category. This category is now zero. Zero means it's a table. There is another place where you can create a table called zero table. You can have another table called telephone facility category table 1, telephone facility category table 2, like that. So whichever table you created there, that reference you are going to put it here. So if it is 0 means you will get all the features enabled in table 0. If it is 1 means you will get all the features enabled in table 1, like that. Then another one is connection category 0. It's another table for connection. As per the number of mentioned there, it will go to the table in connection category. Okay, now it will go back. Sorry, no, we are going further. There are many other features, but these are not very important. You can use the default ones, but here you have a facility called call by name. Alcatel has a alphanumeric keyboard. If you want to use it to dial a name, so in that case you need 2 points yes. That is, one is can be called by name, that used to be yes, and another point is also there. I will show you. You are coming down, uh, call by name and mini mail. You see here, call by name and mini mail. Normally by default it is no. So as I told you, there is a plus sign, means there is a menu inside. You go there, just enter yes. You see, as you enter, it will toggle between. So if you say yes, then it is yes. So now you go down again. There are many other features inside which you can configure, but when you press Ctrl V, you again come to command succeeded, right? Whatever modification you have done on that is taken care, like Now it is the new user, and then like whatever modification you have done is already applied to this table. It's like that. So you are already created a user. Now you may be in wondering like you have to connect a phone, you have to give that number to a phone. So what you do, if it is an analog phone, you connect it to an analog board of Oxy. The phone will ask you, please dial your own extension number. You just put 105. Then it will ask you password, that is 0000. It will come into service. Even it is an IP phone, you have to connect to a switch. It will come into service and ask you like what is the extension number. Dial your own extension number. You dial 105, then it will ask for password 0000. It will come into service. So this is how we do create a user for a new official who has come to your office. Okay, so I will give you another video to delete and modify the users. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.